Hello everyone. So this is how you sign up for the XealBrax community. I already signed up, so I would not be able to do that again because you can only sign up with one Telegram account. So I'm just going to give you a quick intro to how you get started. You click on that Telegram link. It takes you to the Telegram group. You join the group. After joining the group, go back, close this tab. Let me close all my tabs here aside the registration page. And now you click on the bot. That's the second link. And now you click on, or you type in verify. It sends you a verification code. Keep that code. Mine is 669712. Paste it there or type it in. Enter your full information. I'll enter something random here. Because I already registered. One thing is, it's also important to read how it works and the rules of the community. I see a lot of people are not interested to read. They're just looking to sign up, but that's not how it works. So you fill in your information. This is just random, guys. I can't sign up, and you see why. And you choose what platform, your regular platform you use more often. Confirm this checkbox, confirm you're 18 years and older. After you choose your platform, you type in your handle, and accept the rest of the terms, and you click apply to join. So once you click apply to join, if you're not already registered, you see I'm already registered, and that's why you have this notification there in red. So now I go to log in because I'm already registered. So you just scroll down, click on the bot again. From the login page, you see the @XealBrax Community bot. You click on that, and this is what you need to type to the bot. This is the code for it to give you your login verification code or login code. Once you do that, you click on that, it sends you the code. Sometimes the code takes up to 60 seconds, but it's really fast today. So you type in the code and you click login. And that's it. That's how you register. That's how you log in. And then, once you log in, you then want to earn credit. And in order to earn credit, you have to participate. You have to contribute to the growth of other creators by engaging with their posts. So you scroll down and you click open participation board, and you can see other members who has participated, and now they are promoting their own campaign for you to engage. And once you engage with any of this, that's how you earn credit. And that's it, guys. Have a good evening.